How to restore your scratched leather purse with Leather CPR. Leather CPR is proudly made in the USA. We will scratch this full aniline leather purse to simulate normal wear and tear that you would experience with daily usage. Before applying Leather CPR, make sure to test in a hidden area for color fastness. Leather CPR's deep moisturizing cream will make your leather soft and supple. You can use a clean, soft sponge to apply Leather CPR, but the best way to apply Leather CPR is by using a gloved hand, so you can thoroughly spread the moisturizing cream evenly over the leather. Don't use a cloth as it will absorb the cream and waste it rather than applying it to the purse. It is important to allow time for Leather CPR's rich cream to soak in. Keep in mind that leather is similar to your skin and needs to be moisturized. Otherwise, it will dry out and crack, just like your skin will. If your purse is soiled, you'll want to use a small cloth and rub the entire surface of the leather to break up any dirt and grime. Now wipe off any excess Leather CPR with a clean, color-fast cloth. As you will see in the time-lapse video, when the leather starts to dry, the scuffs and scratches will fade away. Your purse will be soft, supple, clean, and conditioned. Depending on how badly your leather is scratched and scuffed, you may need to apply a second coat of Leather CPR to achieve the best results. You betcha! Wow! And one of the most important benefits of Leather CPR is the fact that it is made with 100% cosmetic-grade ingredients and dermatologist tested. And that means your skin will not get irritated when coming in contact with your leather purse. Bring leather back to life with Leather CPR. Click to subscribe to CPR's how-to videos or to watch the next video.